ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। नारायणं पद्मभुवं वसिष्ठं शक्तिं च तत्पुत्रपराशरं च व्यासं शुकं गौडपदं महान्तं गोविन्दयोगीन्द्रमथस्य शिष्यं श्रीशङ्कराचार्यमथस्य पद्मपादं च हस्तामलकं च शिष्यं तं तोटकं वार्तिककारमन्यान् अस्मद्गुरून् सन्ततमानतोऽस्मि। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयम् नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। अपार करुणा सिन्धुं ज्ञानदं शान्तरूपिणं श्रीचन्द्रशेखर गुरुं प्रणमामि मुदान्वहम्। यत्कृपालेशमात्रेण पुमान् पूर्णः प्रजायते तं वन्दे ब्रह्मविद्धुर्यं सद्गुरुं चन्द्रशेखरम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सूत्रार्थो वर्ण्यते यत्र
सूत्रार्थो वर्ण्यते यत्र
वाक्यैः सूत्रानुकारिभिः स्वपदानि च वर्ण्यन्ते
स्वपदानि च वर्ण्यन्ते
भाष्यं भाष्यविदो विदुः।
भाष्यविदो विदुः।
ॐ आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि
वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुश्रोत्रमथोबलमिन्द्रियाणि च
सर्वाणि
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्
सर्वं ब्रह्मोपनिषदम्
उपनिषदम्
माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम्
माहं
माहं
ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
निराकुर्याम्
निराकुर्याम्
मा ब्रह्म निराकरोत्
मा
मा
ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
निराकरोत्
निराकरोत्
अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु
अनिराकरणमस्तु
अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे
निराकरणं मे
अस्तु
अस्तु
तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्मास्ते मयि सन्तु ते मयि सन्तु
तदात्मनिरतेय
निरतेय
उपनिषत्सु
उपनिषत्सु
धर्मास्ते
धर्मास्ते
मयि
मयि
सन्तु
सन्तु
ते मयि
ते
सन्तु
मयि सन्तु
ॐ शान्तः शान्तः शान्तिः
ॐ
ॐ
शान्ति
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 शान्तिः
ॐ केनेषितं पतति प्रेषितं मनः
ॐ
ॐ
केनेषितं पतति प्रेषितं मनः
येन प्राणः प्रथमः प्रैतियुक्तः
येन
येन
प्राणः
प्राणः
प्रथमः
प्रथमः
प्रैतियुक्तः
प्रैतियुक्तः
येनेषितां वाचमिमां वदन्ति
येनेषितां
येनेषितां
वाचमिमां
वदन्ति
वदन्ति
चक्षुश्रोत्रं तव देवो युनक्ति
चक्षुश्रोत्रं तव
चक्षुश्रोत्रं
देवो
तदेवो
युनक्ति
युनक्ति
श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं मनसो मनो यत्
श्रोत्रं
श्रोत्रस्य
मनसं
श्रोत्रो
मनो
मनो
यत्
मनो यत्
वाचोकवाचं सवु प्राणस्य प्राणः
वाचो
वाचोऽहं
वाचं
वाचं
तव
सौ
प्राणस्य
प्राणस्य
प्राणः
प्राणः
चक्षुषश्चक्षुरतिमुच्यधीराः
चक्षुषश्चक्षुरतिमुच्य धीराः
चक्षुश्चक्षुरतिमुच्यधीराः
प्रेत्यास्माल्लोकादमृता भवन्ति
प्रेत्यास्माल्लोकादमृता
प्रेत्यास्माल्लोकादमृता भवन्ति
भवन्ति
न तत्र चक्षुर्गच्छति
न
न
तत्र
तत्र
चक्षुर्गच्छति
चक्षुर्गच्छति
न वाग्गच्छति
न
न वाग्गच्छति
वागच्छति
नो मनो न विद्मः
नो
नो
मनो
मनो
न
न
विद्मः
विद्मः
न विजानीमो यतैतदनुशिष्यात्
न
न जानीमो
जानीमो
यथैतदनुचिष्यात्
यथैतदनुचिष्यात्
अन्यदेव तद्विदितादथो विदितादधि
अन्यदेव
अन्यदेव
तद्विदितादधिरादविदितादधि
तद्विदितादधि
इति शुश्रमपूर्वेषाम्
इति
इति
शुश्रूषपूर्वेषाम्
शुश्रूषपूर्वेषाम्
येनस्तद्व्याचचक्षिरे
येन
येनस्तद्व्याचचक्षिरे
तद्व्याचचक्षिरे
प्रथममन्त्रः शिष्यस्य प्रश्नः विद्यार्थिनः प्रश्नरूपेण वर्तते। द्वितीयमन्त्रतः आचार्यस्य प्रतिवचनं श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इति सूत्रभूतमन्त्रः। चतुर्थमन्त्रात् आरभ्य अष्टममन्त्रपर्यन्तं श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रम् इति मन्त्रस्य विवरणं क्रियते। We have seen up to the third mantra or the fourth mantra. From fourth mantra onwards up to the eighth mantra will be an elaboration, explanation of the Sutra Bhuta mantra. Shotrasya Shotram Manaso Manoyate. Yat Shrotrasya Shrotram Manasaha Manaha Vachaha Vak Pranasya Pranaha चक्षुषः चक्षुः तत् त्वं ब्रह्म तदात्मा त्वं ब्रह्म इति चैतन्यं तत्त्वम् आत्मनः तत्त्वम् आत्मनः तत्त्वप्रतिपादनं क्रियते आत्मा तत् त्वम् आत्मा त्वम् आत्मा ब्रह्म इति महावाक्य फोर्थ मंत्र तदेव ब्रह्मत्वं विद्धि तत् श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्र मनसो मनोयत having said that is vidita tanyat avidita tanyat therefore it is natu karya natu karanam it is not a thing which can be objectified and known through the mind therefore na manaha gacchati na vag gacchati na chakshuga gacchati cannot be objectified because it is not a vishaya vishayikaranam na bhavati लोके पदार्थानां विषयाणां विषयीकरणम् इन्द्रियैः भवति आत्मा तु न तु कोऽपि पदार्थः तस्य विषयीकरणम् ऑब्जेक्टिफिकेशन not possible that in the presence of which everything is known everything is objectified that cannot be objectified in the presence of the light the objects can be known how will you know the light how the light can know the light itself सूर्यस्य प्रकाशः प्रकाशेन अंधकारे ये पदार्थाः सन्ति तेषां प्रकाशनं भवति प्रकाशः तेषां प्रकाशनं भवति कथं सूर्यः स्वयं कथं स्वस्य प्रकाशनं कर्तुं शक्यते न not possible not required that in the presence of everything is illuminated everything is shines and that must be self shining which doesn't require anything else for its shining swayam bhati asti bhati priyam priya swarupah sat chit आनंदः स्वयं भाति स्वप्रकाशस्य विषयीकरणं न भवति अविषयत्वात् इट इज नॉट अ विषय therefore विदिता तन्यत् अविदिता तन्यत् तत् यत् त्वं पृच्छसि तत् त्वमेव तस्य तत् तत्त्वं त्वमेव ब्रह्म एव त्वं तत् त्वं ब्रह्म इति आचार्यस्य प्रतिवचनम् भाष्यकार चतुर्थमन्त्रस्य अवतरणिका सम्बन्धः क्रियते भाष्यकरणे क्रियते अत्र सम्बन्धभाष्यं the bhashyam connecting the third mantra the fourth mantra the connection should be made using the words used in the mantra the bhashyakara does third mantra anya deva tadvidita dato davidita dadi the fourth mantra going to say tat tvam brahma eva iti vidhi may you know that what you ask for that deva सः देवः युनक्ति सः देवः ब्रह्म तत् त्वम् इति so that is the acharya here is going to connect that and the previous mantra so that is the avataranика introduction sambandha bhashyam let us read अन्यदेव तद्विदिता दतो विदिता दधि इत्यनेन
अन्यदेव तद्विदिता तथो अविदिता तदि अन्यनेन
वाक्येन
वाक्येन
आत्मा ब्रह्म इति प्रतिपादिते
आत्मा ब्रह्म इति प्रतिपादिते
श्रोतुः आशंका जाता
श्रोतुः आशंका जाता
तत्कथम्
तत्कथम्
तत्कथन्नु आत्मा ब्रह्म
तत्कथन्नो आत्मा ब्रह्म
अन्यत् विदितात् अन्यत् एव अविदितादपि अन्यत् कार्यात् अन्यत् कारणात् अन्यत् व्यक्तात् अन्यत् अव्यक्तात् अन्यत् इत्यनेन वाक्येन श्रुतिवाक्य श्रुतेः वाक्यम् इति वाक्येन what you ask for that is Brahma, that is different from the known because it is not an object. Vidita tanyat yat tvaya viditam loke. What you know in the world, indriyahi yat jnatam viditam tattu padartah eva api vishayah. Brahma natu vishayah, it is not one more vishaya, one more object. Then it must be unknown. Aviditam, no. Tadapi na vaktum shakyate. How can you say Brahma? Because it is you. You cannot say you don't know you yourself. Aham asmi, sada bhami, aham asmi asmi iti asas. But in every experience, every knowledge, you are there. Without you, there is no experience, there is no knowledge. How can you say that you don't know? Therefore, it is different from the unknown. It is not known completely. Bhane api abhanam, as Panchadashikara. Panchadashikara in Uttam, Panchadashyam. Therefore, vidita danyat, avidita danyat iti vakyena, anena shruti vakyena, प्रतिपादिते सति प्रतिसप्तमी प्रतिपादिते इति प्रतिपादि किमिति श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्रं मनसो मनः इत्यादिना आत्मा यत् वस्तु त्वया पृच्छ्यते तत् आत्मा ब्रह्म इति श्रुत्या प्रतिपादितम् आत्मा ब्रह्म आत्मा इस् ब्रह्म इति प्रतिपादिते श्रोत्रस्य श्रोत्र मनसो यत् इति तेन प्रतिपादितं भवति किं प्रतिपादितं भवति आत्मा व्हाट इज दैट आत्मा आत्मा विदितादन्यत् अविदितादन्यत् इत्यनेन तदात्मा ब्रह्म इति प्रतिपादितं तदात्मा इस् ब्रह्म इति प्रतिपादिते ब्रह्म बृहत्तमत्वात् ब्रह्म इस् विच इस् पूर्णः बृहि वृद्धौ धातोः व्युत्पत्तिः भवति ब्रह्म पदं ब्रह्म इति पदं पुत्तिङन्तं पदं बृहत्तमत्वात् इट इज पूर्णः इन्फिनिट कंप्लीट ब्रह्म इति that is ब्रह्म that which is देश काल वस्तु अपरिचिन्नं ब्रह्म not limited by space आकाशः अपि परिचिन्नः कार्यत्वात् there's a lot you can apply logic यत् कार्यं भवति तत् कृतं भवति कृतत्वात् अनित्यं भवति घटः कृतः अतः कार्यं भवति कार्यत्वात् घटः अनित्यं भवति it will be anitya subject to destruction if not now one day it will get destroyed so यत् कृतं तत् कार्यं भवति तत् अनित्यं भवति आकाशः यद्यपि अति पंचभूतेषु अति सूक्ष्मः तथापि कार्यमेव कृतमेव इट इज क्रिएटेड तस्मादात्मनः आकाशः सम्भूतः आकाशात् वायुः वायोरग्निः अग्निरापः इति उपनिषदि उक्तम् आकाशः अपि कार्यमेव कृतमेव आकाशः अपि कृतः कृतत्वात् अनित्यमेव यद्यपि अति सूक्ष्मः आकाशः व्यापि सर्वव्यापि रिलेटिव्ली सर्वव्यापि नाट् अब्सोल्यूट्लि आपेक्षिक व्यापकत्वम् अस्ति सर्वव्यापकत्वम् अस्ति आकाशस्य न तो आत्यन्तिक आत्यन्तिक इज ओनली ब्रह्म आकाशस्यापि आकाश इज ऑल pervading what about ब्रह्म आकाशस्यापि कारणं therefore Brahma which is infinite therefore not limited even by akasha it means space not limited by space limited by time space means which come time also works in therefore kala tapi kala desha kala vastu aparichinnah so brahmani natu bhutagala vartamanakala bhavishyati iti not subject to time it is nityam therefore nityatvat kutra asti kalaha yat samhatam tasya ayuh bhavati another corollary we can form that which is put together that will have some lifespan because it is put together therefore it will be subject to disintegration subject to fall apart anything car tv any assembly mobile including the sharira put together samhatatvat vinashyati asti jayate vardate viparinamate all this shadvikara samhatatvat bhavati apakshiyate finally vinashyati samhatatvat put together what can be put together only karyam कृतत्वात् कार्यं कार्यत्वात् इत कार्यं तत् संहतं भवति put together अतः अनित्यं भवति therefore in time it will disintegrate but ब्रह्मणि ब्रह्मणि ततो ब्रह्म एतावत् ब्रह्मणः संहतत्वम् अस्ति न अस्ति therefore not subject to time also kala also cannot have any say on brahma therefore desha kala vastu api it is not one of the object vastu brahma doesn't have the three types of veda remember swagata vedaha विजातीय वेदः सजातीय वेदः नास्ति there is no ब्रह्म जाति सजातीय वेदः नास्ति nothing brahma is without a second there is no second thing not there therefore विजातीय वेदः अपि नास्ति you may ask jagat is there jagat is ब्रह्मणः न भिन्नं जगत् यथा घटः न भिन्नः मृदः तद्वत् जगत् is nothing but brahma eva घटा is nothing but mrit eva how can there be the difference between jagat and the brahma यत् जगत् दृश्यते तत् ब्रह्म एव नामरूपात्मकं नामरूप ब्रह्म सगुणं ब्रह्म एव अतः ब्रह्मणः न विद्यते जगत् therefore there is no vastu therefore देशकाल वस्तु अपरिच्छिन्नं ब्रह्म तद् ब्रह्म त्वम् आत्मा इति प्रतिपादितम् श्रुत्या प्रतिपादितं श्रुतिवाक्येन प्रतिपादितं भवति अत्र श्रोतुः शंका आशंका जाता here is born what shanka ashanka shanka ashanka both are same shank shati shank iritonam dhatoh dan akaranum akamakam shankate shankete shankate iti atmane padi dhatu ashanka jata there arises there born a doubt atra tasya श्रोतुः शिष्यस्य विद्यार्थिनः आशंका जाता the doubt arises in the mind of the shrotu buddhau, shrotuhu buddhau, ashanka jata. In the mind of the shrota, the listener, a doubt arises. Tat katam no atma brahma bhavati iti. Katan no plus atma, no atma, yan sandhi. No is just a particle. No indicates a doubt. Nano indicates akshepa. Whenever argument comes, Purva Pakshi rises an akshepa, nanu iti. Atra samshayarte nu iti avyayam. Particle, it is a particle, no. Tat katan no atma brahma. How can atma is aham atma. Katam aham brahma asmi iti. Katam, because why the doubt comes? Because our orientation with the Dvaita. Dvaita is our orientation, untaught orientation. It is not taught. Dvaita is a reality. We are born and we grow with Dvaita Buddhi. Therefore, Katam Aham Atma Brahma Bhavam Asmi iti Esha Shanka Swabhaviki eva. It is natural. Katam Aham Atma Brahma Asmi iti. Because I have the Buddhi, the orientation of this Dvaita. And there are other, to substantiate, there are other philosophies, other darshanas, which also substantiate, which also establishes by their arguments and their philosophy, Dvaita, Visishta Dvaita, Dvaita, Vaisheshika, ityadi. So, therefore, Katam Aham Brahma Asmi iti. This will be a blasphemy. Iti, this is something which is not proper. How can I be Brahma? Aham to samsari eva. Samsare mama jivanam etavad bhavati katam aham Brahma bhavami, Brahma asmi. Natu aham Brahma, kintu yaha mama ishta devatai. Ya mama ishta devata, mama devaha, upasya devata, saeva Brahma. Mama upasya devata. Ya devata mama saeva. Yaha devaha maya pratidinam upasyate, saeva Brahma iti. I worship different devatas, or I worship my ishta devata, kula devata, whatever devata, grama devata, the devata with whom I have a certain relationship. So I have the bhava. So whenever I am the upasaka, I am the one who worships the devata. So aham upasakaha, mama upasya devata, saha Brahma. Saha eva Brahma bhavitum argati, natu aham katam aham Brahma asmi. Why there is suddenly upasaka upasana? Because the mantra says, Tadeva Brahmatvam Vidhi Nedam Edidam Upasate, therefore Upasana. This is a common thing that the Upasaka is one who is doing Upasana. Yaha Upasanam Karoti. In Veda itself, Upasana Kanda is there. Kanda Trayam Vedaha, Karma Kandaha, Upasana Kandaha, Jnana Kandaha iti. Upasana Kandaha. So, Aham Upasakaha, Mama Upasya Devata Asti. Therefore, Mama Upasya Devata Brahma Bhavitum Argati. How can I say, if Aham Brahma, then what about Upasya Devata? Then Upasya Devata also is Brahma. Upasaka Aham Upasaka be Brahma. That's I cannot accept. Because how can I enjoy the same status as that of the Upasya Devata? We go to the temple, we worship the Devatas, Ganapati Shiva, we do puja, Upasya Devata. How can you say, Saha Ganapati Yaha Asti, Saha Aham Eva iti? That requires great courage, not easy. In the Vicharasagara, the author beautifully in the Mangalacharanam itself, he says, Tasmai Maghyam Namaha iti. To me, I offer Namaskara. The Mangalacharanam itself is a very bold Mangalacharanam. Generally, Mangalacharanam, Tasmai Gurave Namaha, Tasmai Ganapate Namaha will be there. But Tasmai Maghyam Namaha, Namaskara, Tasmai Maghyam Namaha, Namaskaram to myself. So it must be egoistic. Aham Atma Brahma iti. Therefore, there is no duality, there is no Dvaita. Upasaka will have Dvaita Buddhi. Therefore, it will be very difficult for Upasaka to acknowledge this fact, this truth. Therefore, Tat Katannu Atma Brahma iti prashnaha kriyate shishyena. Further, the Acharya says, Atma hi. Next,
Atma hi
Nama
Nama
Adhikritaha
Adhikritah
Karmani Upasane cha
Karmani Upasane cha
Samsari
Samsari
Karmopasanam bha
Karmopasanam
Pasanam
va
va
Sadhanam Anushtaya
Sadhanam
Anushtaya
Anushtaya
Brahmadidevan
Brahmadidevan
Vargam bha
Swargam va
Praptum Ichchati
Praptum Ichchati
Tat Tasmat Anyaha Upasyaha
Tat
Tasmat Anyaha Upasyah
Vishnuhu Ishvaraha Indraha Pranaha va Brahma Bhavitum Arhati.
Vishnu
Ishwarah
Ishwarah
Pranava
Brahmavitum
Arhati
Nanu Atma.
Nanu
Atma
Sorry. Natu Atma.
Natu Atma
Loka Pratyaya Virodhat.
Loka
Lokapraya
Virodha
Virodhat
Atma Nama Adhikritaha. Atma, Aham Atma. Atma is Aham Atma, Jivatma. Aham Atma, Jivatma. Jivashta also Atma, Jivatma. Aham Jivatma. Jivatma Brahma iti. Jivatma Brahma iti Pratipadite, Shanka Jata. Therefore, Jivatma Nama, that is Aham Adhikritaha, who is qualified. Adhikritaha. Adhikritaha Kasmin Karmani Upasane cha Adhikritaha. As a Jivatma, Aham Jivatma. Nama means that known. I who is known. As what? Atma Nama Karmani Upasane cha Adhikritaha Atma Nama Samsari. So, I, the Jivatma, is called a samsari. Nama means is called. Atma Nama Aham Samsari. Aham Atma Jivatma Nama Samsari. Samyak Sarati Samsare. Srudatu Samsaraha. Srudatoho Bhave Ghai. Sampurvaka Srudatoho Bhave Ghai. Samsaraha. Samsaraha Asya Asti iti Samsarin. Nakaranta Shabdaha. Samsari Samsarino Samsarina. Aham Jivatma Samsari. Samsari iti. I am a Jivatma, Alpa Atma, Jivatma, Alpajnaha, Alpashaktiman, Upadhistaha, Sharira, Manas Sangataha, Aham Jivatma, Upadhistaha, Upadau Tishtati, located in this Shariram. having strong abhimana with the Sharira. Aham samsari. Samsari means abhimana. It's implied. You don't have to say. Aham Atma Vimuktaha means Aham Atma Brahma is different. Asamsari Brahma Atma. But samsari means there is strong abhimana with the Sharira. Sharira Upadi. Shariram Upadi. Stula Sukshma Karana. Rama Sharira Trayasya. Sharira Traya Mama Abhimana Asti. Tafarham samsari. Samsara, that is what is samsara is. Or samsari could be samsara. Samsari means the one who is bound to samsara. Samsara, samsaranam. Samsaranam is the one who is always travel. Samsaranam. Travel. Kshine punya matya lokam vishanti. Tetam bhukta swarga lokam vishalam. Kshine punya matya lokam vishanti. Iti, the one who travels to the Shukla Gati and Krishna Gati. So there is a Gati, the movement. But after that, they move through Shukla Gati and Krishna Gati, they move. Whatever the Gati, Abrahma Bhavana Loka, Punaravarti Nojana, therefore you have to come back. So therefore there is a constant movement, travel. Travel is there. Therefore samsaram, samsari, jivaha, jivatma. Or the samsara is because ajnanena, jiva is born with this capital investment, ajnanam. Because of ajnanam, there is a sense of apurnatvam. Apurnatvat. Apurnatvam, ataha purnatva icha. Icha asti. Therefore, ichaya, therefore karma. Karmana, karma palam. Papa punya karma palam. Karmana, karma punya papa punya karma palam. Then karma palatvat punarjanmaha. Iti samsaraha vartate. Person is bound to samsara. It is samsara. Ajnanam because of adhyasa. Because of adhyasa, there is a sense of apurnatva. Purnatvat. Purnatva ichaya karma karoti. Karmanaha palam punya papam bhavati. Punya papena. Punya papena punah punarjanmaha. Punya papena anubhava. Special anubhava or what loke atva atra atva amutra anubhava. One has to experience the punya papa. Therefore punarjanma iti samsaranam samsaraha. It's all is samsara. Aham jivatma ataha samsari. Adhikritaha, qualified in what? Doing karma upasane adhikritaha. Karmani upasane adhikritaha aham. Adhikritaha is the one who is eligible. Adhikritaha means eligible. Eligibility. I have the eligibility in doing karma. Doing karma or upasana. So karmana kayena va atava manasa va atava vacha karma. Upasana also, that is also karma. Only difference is upasana is manasam karma. So therefore upasana. So karmani va upasana va adhikritaha. As a samsari, as a jivatma, I am qualified. Therefore only my focus is only in Veda Purva. Karma kanda, upasana kanda. Not interested in moksha because I don't know what moksha is. My effort always to overcome the limitations. Therefore, I do karma, thinking that karma will fulfill me, will bring fulfillment, or upasana. So upasana, therefore upasana, upasaka, upasi devata, dvaitam. Karma dvaitam, upasana also dvaitam only. So dvaita buddhi, samsari means, therefore dvaita buddhinaha. samsari bhavati. So samsari means dvaita. So karma upasana, therefore dvaita. Therefore, how can this person accept when the Shruti says tat evatam atma iti? Therefore, it is shanka is natural, ashanka is natural. Therefore, karma upasanam va anushtaya, karma upasanam va sadhanam anushtaya, having practiced the sadhanam, sadhyate anena iti sadhanam, that by which sadhyate, it's sadhanam, and sadhana rupa karma or upasanam. Upasanam va karma va sadhanam anushtaya, having practiced karma and upasana. Kimartam? Karmana kim prapnoti, upasanaya kim ichchati, kim prapnoti. Brahmadi devan sargam va praptum ichchati. Brahmadi devan sargam va. Brahmadi deva, Brahma is Hiranyagarbha, Adi Padat, other. Yamadharma Raja also, it's a designation, the Padavi. All these are designations. So Brahma Padavi, Yamadharma Raja is Padavi, designation. So Brahmadi devan va sargam va praptum ichchati. Karma upasanam anushtaya, karma sadhanam bhavati, sarga praptaye. Agnihotra, karma, if a person does, or is there any special palam is there for the karma mentioned in the Veda? Therefore, that we say the palam is Swarga Loka Praptihi. Similarly, Upasanaya api Swarga Loka Praptihi. Upasana along with karma samuchaya can be done. Then Swarga Loka Praptihi. Why Swarga Loka? Because there you will enjoy, you will experience Ananda. There will be the sense of limitations will be, for time being, it will be loosened. The sense of limitation. Parichinnattam na ichchati. Ataha karma upasana anushtaya swargam praptam ichchati. Because in Swarga Loka there is no suffering, no dukkham. The sense of limitation, the sense of insecurity is a cause for dukkha. Samsara means dukkha. Samsara is nothing but dukkha. That samsara is because nothing but limitation. The sense of limitation is due to parichinnatvam. That is parichinnatvam limitation. It is due to either because I feel I'm not secure, I'm not happy, I feel I'm small, insignificant. The Dvaitati Bhayam Bhavati, but that the person that you don't understand. The Dvaitam. But still, I want to be one among all the Dvaitas, all the duality. I want to be that one free from all the limitations. This is absurd, not possible. We have so much Abhimana with the Sharira, and Dvaitam is your reality. And in the Dvaita world, you want to be free from the limitation. How is it possible? You are not denying Dvaitam. You are not denying Dvaitam. You are so much convinced about the Dvaita Prapancha, Dvaita Anubhava, Dvaita, the reality. And in the Dvaita, the reality for the person, for you, that you want to be free from insecurity, you want to be free from unhappiness, and you don't want to be limited by the other one, second person. How is it possible? Dvaita means there will be another thing. So it is absurd. Kintu jivatma yatate eva. Therefore, Swarga Lokam praptam ichchati. That is only solution which due to Shastra Jivatma can think of. A Loka. It is not here. In fact, nobody has seen Swarga Loka. It is Nitya. It is Paroksha. It is. Katam Swarga Lokaha bhavati iti kaha janati. Swarge Loke, as some hint is given in the Upanishad. Swarge Loke pipasana si jarayana bibeti iti. And Swarge Loke, the divine damsels are there, all those things. Bhoga Vishayas are there. Therefore, That is what imagination of Surgaloka. Therefore, Surgalokam praptam icchati. Brahmadi Devan, Deva Padavi, Devan Surgam va praptam icchati. Brahmadi Devan is not to become one with the Brahmadi Deva. Brahmadi Deva means Brahma Padavi, Hiranyagarbha Padavi. That is Dvaitam only. Brahmadi Devan, Surgam va praptam icchati. Athava Brahmadi Devan means Brahma, Vishnu, Ityadi, Vaikuntam Gantam Ichchati, Shivalokam Gantam Ichchati, Shivaloka, Kailasha, ticket to Kailasha, Kailasha Praptam Ichchati, Kailasham, Tatra Shiraha Asti, so therefore Samipyam, Sarupyam, Dvaitam Eva. Karmana Upasanaya, Anya Lokam, Dvaita Lokam, Yasmin Loke, Ishmakam Ishta Devata Vartate Tatra. Tatra Gatva, Puraha Pujanam, Arati, etc. All this. Praptam Ichchati. This is what a Jivatma is Lord. Therefore, to this person, if you say Tat Tvam Brahma iti, I will accept. Ashanka Jata, Ashanka Sabhaviki eva. Therefore, Tataha Tat Tasmat Anyaha Upasyaha. Therefore, he has this strong conviction. Kim Tat Brahma iti Toya Uchyate. Tat Brahma, Tatah Tat referring Tat Brahma, Tasmat, therefore, not therefore, Tat Tasmat Anyaha Upasyaha. Tat Brahma Tasmat Anyaha Jivatmanaha Anyaha Bhavati. Mama Anyaha. Tat Brahma Mama Anyaha Kaha Saha Upasyaha Upasya Devata. Vishnuhu va, Ishvaraha va, Indraha va, Prana, Hiranyagarbha va. Saha eva, Brahma Bhavitum Argati. Upasya Devata eva Brahma Bhavitum Argati. My Upasya Devata alone can become Brahma. Can become Brahma or is Brahma. Eligible to be considered Brahma. Not me. Nanu Atma. Nanu Aham Atma Jivatma. I cannot be Brahma. I am a limited Jivatma. Alpajnaha. Katham Aham Brahma Bhavitum Argati. Ama Upasyaha eva Brahma Bhavitum Argati. Tatum Aham. How do you say this? Loka Pratyaya. This is Loka Pratyaya Virodha. What is Virodha? Tat Tvam Brahma iti. That is Virodha. Loka Pratyaya Virodha. It is contradiction. Loka Pratyaya means Loka Buddhi Pratyaya. This Pratyaya Loka Buddhi thinking. Loka Pratyaya Virodha. Aham Atma na Brahma Bhavitum Argati. Upasyaha eva Brahma Bhavitum Argati. Now Upasya Devata. He alone can or is Brahma. Eligible to be. He alone is Brahma. Natu Aham. I am not Brahma. If you say Aham Brahma, it is Loka Pratyaya Virodha. Virodhat. Loka Pratyaya means the Loka, the people, Loke, ye Janaha Santi te, Tesham Chintanam Katam Bhavati. Aham Brahma iti Bhavati va. Na. Ama Upasya Devataha Vishnuhu eva Brahma. Ishvaraha Brahma. Mama Guru hapi Brahma Bhavitum Argati. You have intense Guru Bhakti. Guru Natu Aham. Kadapi Aham Brahmana Bhavitum Kadapi Aham Brahma Bhavitum na Arhami. Iti. Atma Aham Atma Jivatma Brahma Bhavitum na Argati. Iti. All these are natural for the person who is oriented to Dvaita. So therefore, Loka Pratyaya Virodhat Aham Atma Jivatma Brahma na Bhavitum Brahma na. Iti. Yatha. Next slide.
यथा
Anye Tarkikaha
अन्ये तार्किकाः
Ishvarat Anyaha Atma iti
ईश्वरात्
आत्मा इति
Achakshate
आचक्षते
आचक्षते
Tatha Karminaha
तथा कर्मिणः
अमुं यज इति
अमुम्यज
अमुयज इति
अन्या देवता उपासते
अन्या
अन्याय
देवता
देवतामुपासते
तस्मात्
तस्मात्
युक्तं
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 यत् विदितं
यत्
यत् विदितम्
उपास्यं
उपास्यं
तत् ब्रह्म भवेत्
तत् ब्रह्म
ब्रह्म
भवेत्।
भवेत्
ततः अन्यः उपासकः इति
ततः
अन्यः उपासकः इति
Have you read this in the last class?
No.
No. यथा अन्ये तार्किकाः कर्मिणः अपि तथा कर्मिणः also अन्ये तार्किकाः ये तर्कम् आश्रित्य वादयन्ति विचारं कुर्वन्ति ते तार्किकाः तार्किका न्याय दर्शन दार्शनिकः the logicians तार्किकाः अन्ये तार्किकाः other तार्किकाः ते अपि वदन्ति आचक्षते चक्षिंग धातु आचक्षते चक्षिंग धातु चक्षिंग नित आत्मनेपदान्वितः नितः अनुदातंगितः आत्मनेपदं therefore आचक्षते आर् धातु के प्रत्यय परे चक्षिंग will be replaced by क्यायते इति कर्म is कर्मणि आख्यायनम आर् धातु के प्रत्यय परे चक्षिंग will be replaced by क्या but here it is आचक्षते लट्लकार आचक्षते आचक्षेते आचक्षन्ते आचक्षते इति वदति तार्किकः आचक्षते वदन्ति they say बहुवचन yeah it is चक्षिंग धातु इति आचक्षते अन्ये तार्किकः ईश्वर इति आचक्षते आचक्षते is एकवचन चक्षिंग धातु चक्षते चक्षेते चक्षन्ते because it is belongs to the second conjugation therefore vyktayam vachi therefore आचक्षते लट्लकारे will be चष्टे चष्टे चक्षाते चक्षते so चक्षते आचक्षते so बहुवचन I said wrongly चक्षते चक्षेते चक्षन्ते not that because the dhatu is chaksh dhatu so shap will come and it will become shapaha luk bhavati therefore chaksh plus te atmanipadi chaste just shtutva sandhi chaste chakshate chakshate so achakshate is bahuvachan tarkikaha achakshate there is no achakshante okay. so tarkikaha achakshante de vadanti kim vadanti atma ishwarat anyah atma is different from ishvara according to tarkika atma api dravyah eva tadapi dravyam eva sapta padarthas are there and dravyas also so one of the dravya atma also according to tarkika nayayika therefore atmanah anyah ishwarat anyah atma therefore ishvara atma is different from ishvara karminah api even karmis also who are addicted who are committed to doing karma they also say amum yaja amum devatam devam aso amu ami amum amu amuhu amu vidya vivakti adashabda amum yaja lotlakar amum yaja worship this devata iti anya eva devata upasate amum yaja iti anyaha deva upasate bhagavachana again please note Upasate, not upasate, upasate, upasante. Upasate itself is Bhagavachan. So upasate, upapurvaka, asdatu. So upasate, ate Bhagavachana pratyaya. So therefore, aste, asate, asate. Upa, asate, upasate. Asdatu. Yaste manasa sparan, Bhagavad Gita, aste, yaha the one who sits, manasa sparan, remembering with the mind. In Gita it comes. So aste, प्रथम पुरुष एकवचन आस्ते आसाते आसते बहुवचनम उपपूर्वक उपासते मीन्स उपासनम उपासनां कुर्वन्ति अन्या देवताः 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 इज कर्म फॉर द कर्ता कर्ता इज द उपासकः कर्मिणः इति एव अथवा कर्मिणः कर्मिणः इज द कर्म कर्मिणः कर्मन् कर्म कर्म अस्य अस्ति इति कर्मिन् कर्मी कर्मिणो कर्मिणः कर्मिणः देवताः उपासते दट इज सेंटेंस अमुम यज इति अन्याः देवताः उपासते तो कर्मिणः प्रथमा व्यक्ति बहुवचनं कर्म इज देवताः अन्याः आल्सो विशेषणम् अन्याः एव अन्याः मीन्स डिफरेंट फ्रॉम यू फ्रॉम द upasaka because karmata they don't accept dvaita karma karminah dvaita buddhinah karminah devataah upasate karmina karminah karmis those who do karma they worship other devata means anyaha devataah upasakat anyaha उपासकेभ्यः अन्याः देवताः उपासते कर्मिणः अतः एव अमुम यज is the instruction given to the upasaka. The instruction can be given only when there is the upasaka who is different from the upasya devata. If it is one, then amum yaja has no meaning. Then it cannot be amum yaja. So therefore, yaja iti yaja bhaja pujanam kuru पूजय इति अतः अन्याः एव अन्याः देवताः तु अन्याः एव अतः कर्मिणः अन्याः देवताः उपासते they worship different devatas worship this devata इति कर्मिणः अपि द्वैतिनः तार्किकः अपि द्वैतिनः according to तार्किक आत्मा ईश्वरात् अन्यः कर्मिणः अपि अमुम यज इति अन्या देवताः उपासते therefore how can they accept that jagat karanam brahma aham asmi iti therefore tasmat therefore yuktam what yuktam upasyam tad brahma upasyam yatu upasyam that which is worshipped upasya devata tad brahma bhavati यत् अतः यत् विदितं उपास्य देवता is viditam it is ज्ञातम it is objectified because I give a form I give a namarchana sakasra namavali ityadi therefore viditam यत् viditam upasyam why upasyam upasya is akaranta shabda but upasyam here it is upasya is visheshana. It is visheshana means it is can be declined all the gender. Here tat brahma is the so upasyam yatu viditam because yatu viditam is already viditam we have seen yatu that which is known and that is upasyam tat brahma bhavati brahma bhavet that must be brahma bhavet. That upasya devata is Brahma. That is yuktam bhavati. That is tenable, that is proper. Ya devata maya upasyate. Sa eva Brahma bhavati. Tadeva Yuktam bhavati, that alone is proper. How can I say that Upasi Devata is myself? That is illogical, that is unreasonable, that is ayuktam. So therefore it is yuktam. Who says all these are the thinking of the Shishya, who is shocked by the teaching. Therefore, tataha anyaha upasaka iti. Tataha anyaha. Therefore, upasaka is different from upasi devata. Tataha upasya the devatayaha upasakaha anyaha eva binnaha eva different. Therefore, dvaitaha. Therefore, upasya upasakaha vedaha asti eva. Upasakaha kadapi upasyaha Brahma bhavitum narhati. This is the strong, the idea entrenched without being taught from childhood. It is, so this thought is because of orientation, it's strongly entrenched. Therefore, this ashanka is something which is very strong. Sometimes it is unshakable. It requires a lot of courage, a lot of thinking. Prayatna is involved. Shastram does a job, Pramana does a job, but it is not easy. It is not easy to equate oneself to one Upasi Devata. I am that. You cannot put flowers on your head and say, I am that. Many they do now in the world and they get into problem. But of course, they don't understand. The people who will see them, they don't understand. And also people who does, they also have some problem. But really, the one who knows the truth, for him, he knows what the truth is. He puts flower on his own head because Upasaka Devata is myself. Aham Brahma Asmi. This is the truth. So therefore, this Shanka is Jata, the last line. Bhashyakara is now connecting the mantra. Tam yetam ashankam
ताम एताम
ताम् आशङ्काम्
Shishya lingena upalakshya
शिष्यलिंगेन उपलक्ष्य
लिङ्गेन उपलक्ष्य
tad vakyadva aha
तद्वाक्या
तद्वाक्या
maivam shankishtaha.
मैवं
मैवं
संशिष्टाः
Bhashyakara nicely says. Tam etam, that which is this doubt. Ashankam. Ashankam is Srilinga. Ashanka, kam, Ditya. Why Ditya? Because upalakshya. Ashankam upalakshya. Upalakshya, upapurvaka lakshya, that's lep pratyaya. Ashankam upalakshya, having upalakshya, upalakshitam, having find out, he found out, having found out, having discerned. Ashankam. Shishya did not ask, or you have to imagine the Shishya asked also. But here, Shishya Linga. What is Shishya Linga? Linga is the Shishyasya Lingaha, Shishya Linga. Tena, Shishya Lingena, with some Linga, some indicator is given by the Shishya. When the teacher says, Tatu Brahma Tvam Vidhi, Tatu Tvam Brahma Iti, then Shishya, there is some doubt in the face of the disciple. Mukha Bhavaha, Ashanka, Mukhe Drishyate. That's it. There is a expression of doubt in the face of the Shishya. What? Expression in the mind, and that is, in the mind there is a doubt, and the expression in the face. So from the expression, the Acharya, he infers, yes, doubt. Yes, a doubt. Therefore, Upalakshya, Shishya, Lingena. So Linga, the expression of the face of the disciple. And the expression, from the expression, the Acharya infers, yes, doubt. Ashankam, Upalakshya, having figured out, having found out Shishyasya Lingena Ashankam. Tam Etam Ashankam. Having figured out this doubt. The Guru must do it. The online class is not possible, but the direct teaching, yes, the doubt arises. Not in the direct teaching also, not with the 100 odd people and all. Teaching is always either one-to-one or as Shankaracharya had 4 disciples, 4. Not more than that. That is how the teaching is given, not to the group, not the mass. So Upalakshya, then only the teacher can see the face of the student and then infer. Infer as Anumana. Here the Guru does the operates the Pramanam Anumana. Because how does the Guru know otherwise? Guru, from the face of the disciple, he infers. So inference. Guruhu Anumanam Karoti. Shishya Lingena Mukam Drishta. Shishyasya Mukam Drishta Tena Tena Guruhu Janati Shishyasya Shanka Asti iti. Therefore Upalakshya Shishya Lingena Upalakshya Shankam Atava Tad Vakyadva, or from the sentence of the Vakya, the sentence of the disciple. So that Vakyadva. Vakya is either we are to infer. Vakya, the student may ask Tat Katam iti. Therefore Vakyadva aha. Therefore the teacher, therefore the teaching continues. Therefore Tad Vakyadva aha. What aha? This mantra, the 4th mantra. Maivam Shankishtaha. Maivam. What is Maivam? Ma evam. Ma evam. Maivam. Ma evam Vriddhi Sandhi. Maivam Shankishtaha. So Shankishtaha. Ma is Nishedhartham ma. Ma evam Shankishta. Don't doubt like this. Evam Shankishtaha. Shankishtaha, what lakara? Shankishtaha is lung lakara. But lung lakara, lung lakara will have attagama. Yes, attagama will be there, but namangi lung 33175 we have seen Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi means before Sananta, that class. Namangi lung lakare mangi upapade lung lakara bhavati. Tatra kim bhavati? Namang yoge, by that sutra, attagama will not come. Therefore, attagama is not seen. Otherwise, what is the form of lung lakara of shank dhatu? Ashankishta, ashankishata, ashankishata, ashankishtaha, madhyama purusha, ekavachanam. It is from ma shankishtaha. I will not be that. You should not say ashankishta because na mangi lung. Mangi lung bhavati, attagama na bhavati. Namang yoge, mangi lung, all the sutra are applied here, and therefore shankishtaha. Another sutra also, na smottare, lung also. That also, sma uttare, sma iti. Yata in Gita, masma gamaf partaha. Ma te bhuhu, karmanyavadikaraste, ma paleshu kadashana, ma karma pala hetur bhuhu. What is hetur bhuhu? Abhuhu it is. Abhuhu, a is attagama gone. That will not be there because there it is. Lung lakaraha. Lung lakara, sarva lakaranam apavadaha. Referring, it is not lung means it is past tense. Lung lakara, anadyatane lung, samanya, anadyatane lung, samanya lung. Bhute lung bhavati. But lung lakara is ling lotau arte bhavati. Therefore, you should not doubt. That is the meaning here. You should ma evam shankishtaha. May you not doubt. That is a may you not doubt. Ma evam shankishtaha. Shanka ma karotu iti. Simple. Shanka ma karotu iti. The Acharya Upanishad says, Upanishad or Acharya. Let us read the mantra and we will see the meaning in the next class. Yad vachanabhyuditam
यद्वाचानभ्युदितं
यद्वाचानभ्युदितं
yena vagabhyudyate
येन
वागभ्युद्यते
tadeva brahmatvam vidhi
तदेव ब्रह्मत्वं विद्धि
nedam yadidam upasate
नेदं
नेदं यदिदम् उपासते
namang yoge smottarelang your homework. Find out. See how it is there in the Gita also. We have seen. Refer to our class Ashtadhyayi. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी।
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः जी।
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣಜಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಅಜ್ಜಿ.
Dhanyavadah.